be some upgrades. But we have Abneesh Roy now joining us from Edelweiss. Abneesh, your first thoughts on Dabur's numbers, because I'm just looking at the sales volume, net profit. It's a beat across the board. But your thoughts?
Yeah, clearly this is the strongest set of results and way ahead of our and street expectations. So 16.8% domestic volume growth. Till now, Marico and Britannia were on the higher side, but this clearly has beaten them hands down. So yes, what you mentioned, if you remember in Q1, there was some shortage in terms of supply for Chyawanprash, honey, etc. So in spite of new companies like Marico entering honey, Chyawanprash, we feel that Dabur with Lion's market share will continue to gain market share and grow much faster. Yes, the base is a bit soft in the juice business, etc. Plus rural recovery is something which would definitely help them. And my sense is, yes, some upgrades will be there. We have a con call at 4 p.m. We'll get the granular detail, but very good set of number. Gross margin also expanded. EBITDA margin also 50 basis expansion. So overall, extremely good set of numbers.
Abneesh, hi, good afternoon. So what's your current price target? I'm guessing you'll be reworking your own numbers higher as well after you hear from the management. But what is it right now? And I mean, basically, how much of price elasticity is there in the stock given the valuations?
No, valuation comfort, if you see in FMCG in the top tier companies, has always been a concern. But what we see is once companies start reporting in the top tier in terms of numbers, there is always a scope of re-rating. So if you see this quarter results and the way forward, rural recovery, Dabur has got 40-45% of the business coming from rural India. And health hygiene clearly is clearly the strong focus of customer. And till vaccine comes, I think these are going to continue. So we have a price target which will definitely get upgraded because of the earnings. We currently have around 550, but we do see upsides when we publish our report. There will be upgrade to our numbers because of the beat.
Okay, we'll watch out for that new target that you come up with, Abneesh. Thanks very much for a quick take on what's been a superb quarter for Dabur. Thanks to Mangalam as well for the analysis. Well, Anuj, with that, let's look at the wider market as well. And it's been a good risk-on day pretty much, across the board. Actually, let's pull up your